So in this question, they want us to prove that the following identity is true. So we are going to prove that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal. Ne? So obviously the most complex side is the left-hand side. So I'll take it. And I will write it this way. Ne? I always prefer to do this. Sine theta dot tan theta. And then the division line, I prefer to write it this way. Ne? So, and then I put a bracket so that I can work separately with my numerator and denominator. And then I'll later on combine them. Ne? So tan 2 theta. And then 1 minus tan squared theta. Okay. And then now let's see. We're going to have left hand side is equals to. Right. Actually, I don't have to write left hand side so many times. I can just say equals to. Ne? The first bracket, we're going to have sine theta multiplied by tan of theta. Tan of theta will change into sine of theta divided by cosine of theta. Then divided by tan 2 theta will change into sine of 2 theta divided by cos of 2 theta. Then in bracket, we're going to have 1 minus tan squared will change into sine squared of theta over cos squared of theta. Then we close, right? And then the first bracket simplifies to sine squared theta over cos theta. Because sine times sine is sine squared. Ne? And then we're going to divide this by the sine 2 theta. I always change it because it's only one identity that it can become. It's going to be 2 sine theta cos theta. Ne? The cos 2 theta, I don't rush to change it. Why? Because there are 3 possible identities. So I'm going to just keep on simplifying other things and see what scenarios unfolds. Then I'm going to multiply this by, in this bracket here, I'm going to do LCD. So we can all see, ladies and gents, that is going to be cos, let's still put our bracket, cos squared theta minus sine squared theta all over cos squared theta. Right? And then let's keep on going. The nice thing is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta is basically cos 2 theta. So this guy and those guys can cancel because cos 2 theta is the same as cos squared theta minus sine squared theta. So we are left with sine squared theta over cos theta divided by 2 sine of theta cos of theta all over cos squared of theta. Then now I can tip in times. I can change this sign to a multiply, and this side will be cos squared theta all over 2 sine theta cos of theta. Then at the bottom this side we have cos theta sine squared theta. Now let's combine the fraction. We have sine squared theta cos squared theta all over 2 sine of theta. Cos times cos will be cos squared theta. Then the cos squared cancels. And then on top is like you have sine theta multiplied by sine theta. That is sine squared theta, right? Over 2 sine theta. You can see one of the sine thetas cancel. We are left with sine theta over 2, which is the right hand side. And the identity has been proven indeed that it's sine theta over 2. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.